Morning students. Today we will study about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So I have taken a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. This angle B alone 90 degree. So what will be sum of angle A and angle C? It will become 90 because sum of these three angles is 180. B alone 90 degree. So sum of the remaining two angles will be also 90 degree. It means angle A and angle C both are complementary angles. Reason because their sum is 90. If we take angle A is theta, so what will be angle C? It will be 90 degree minus theta. If angle A is theta and A and C both are complementary, so what will be angle C? 90 minus theta. Now we have to know about what is the sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, because 90 minus theta is complementary of theta. So we have to study trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Firstly, write sine theta. What is sine theta? If we consider this angle, angle A theta, perpendicular will be BC, base AB and hypotenuse AC. When we take angle A as theta, its opposite side will be perpendicular. AB will be base and the longest side is hypotenuse. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. What will be cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. What will be tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is BC, base is AB. We will write BC by AB. So these are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now we have to take the trigonometric ratio of its complementary angle 90 minus theta. So write sin 90 minus theta. When we will take angle C means 90 minus theta, its opposite side AB will be perpendicular. This side will be perpendicular, BC is base and AC hypotenuse. So sin 90 minus theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? AB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. AB by AC. See from here, what is AB by AC? What is AB by AC? From second, AB by AC is cos theta. So we can put here cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. From second equation, AB by AC is cos theta, so we can put here cos theta. Take cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means base by hypotenuse. So what is base? Base is BC. If we take this angle 90 minus theta, AB is perpendicular, BC is base. So BC upon hypotenuse is AC. BC upon AC. See from first, BC upon AC is what? Sin theta. So we can write here sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. From first, BC upon AC is equal to sin theta. Since from first, BC upon AC is equal to sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Write cot theta here. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. So base is AB, perpendicular is BC. Cot theta is base AB, perpendicular BC. Reciprocal of tan. So AB by BC. Now take tan 90 minus theta. tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC. So AB by B. And what is AB by BC? Cot. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Because AB by BC is equal to cot theta. So in this way we can write for cot, sec, cosec also. So here we got a relation between sine and cos. So we can summarize it. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, it will be tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta, it is cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta, it will be sec theta. So we have to remember these things. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta tan. Sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. With the help of this relation, we can convert cosec into sec, sec into cosec, cot into tan, tan into cot, sin into cos, or cos into sin. So it is trigonometric ratios of complementary angle 90 minus theta. Now we will discuss some problem from the exercise. See exercise 3. It is the last exercise of the chapter trigonometry. I have taken two questions. Question number 1 A part and question number 2 B part. We have to find its value. Here I have some result. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta up to cosec 90 minus theta. What we can observe from here? Theta and 90 minus theta both are complementary angle. 90 minus theta and theta. 90 minus theta and theta both are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Then if two angles are complementary, then sine of one angle will be equal to cos of other angle. Means sine 90 minus theta, it will be cos theta, or cos 90 minus theta, it will be sin theta. Okay, or tan 90 minus theta, it will be cot theta. Cot theta. So if two angles are complementary, sine of one angle will be equal to cos of other angle, or cos of one angle will be equal to sine of other angle. Tan of one angle, it will be equal to cot of other angle. Cot of one angle will be equal to tan. Sec of one angle, it will be equal to cosec of other angle. We can see one example. Suppose 10 degree and 80 degree. Take 10 degree, 80 degree. Both are complementary because their sum is 90 degree. It means what? Sine of 10 will be equal to cos of 80. Or cos of 10, it will be equal to sine of 80. Means if we take sine of one angle, it will be equal to cos of other angle. Or if we take tan of one angle, it will be equal to cot of other angle. Sec of one angle, it will be equal to cosec of other angle. So we can write sine of 10, it will be equal to cos of 80. Or cos of 10, it will be equal to sine of 80. We can take tan also. Tan of 10, it will be equal to cot of 80. Tan and cot both are related. So if two angles are complementary, sine of one angle, it will be equal to cos of other angle. Or tan of one angle, it will be equal to cot of other angle. sec of one angle, it will be cosec of the other angle. So sin 10 and cos 80 both are equal. See question number 1, A part, cos 80 divided by sin 10. We know that cos 80 and sin 10 both are equal. So we can cancel both. What will be answer? Answer will come 1. So how we will do it? Both angles are complementary. 80 plus 10, 90. 80 plus 10, it is equal to 90. It means both are complementary angle. One trigonometrical ratio is given cos, other is sin. So we will change one of them. Either cos 80 we will change into sin, or change sin 10 into cos. So I am going to change the cos. Cos, in place of 80 we will write 90 minus 10, because we know that 90 minus 10 is 80. So cos 90 minus 10 upon sin 10. We will change only one of them, not both. Cos 90 minus theta, this is theta. So what is cos 90 minus theta? See here. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Theta is 10 degree. So cos 90 minus 10, it will be sin 10 divided by sin 10. Both cancel. So answer will come 1. So if these two angles are complementary, one is given in terms of cos, another is in terms of sin. So change one of them, we will get this answer. Similarly, question number 2B part. This is 10 degree, this one 80 degree. 10 and 80, again 90. Both are complementary. Here trigonometric ratio is 10. In the second term it is cot. So we will change one of them. So change this one 10, 10. So in place of 10 degree, we will write 90 minus 80 degree. 90 minus 80 means 10. So 10, 90 minus 80 minus cot 80 degree. We will not change the second term. Tan 90 minus theta. This theta is 80. Tan 90 minus theta. See the relation? Tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta. And theta is 80. So it will be cot 80 degree minus cot 80 degree. Cot 80 minus cot 80. It will be 0. So first part value is 1. Second part value is 0. So if two angles are complementary, change the one of the trigonometric ratio, not both. So I have taken here two questions. Now we will discuss some more questions. See question number 3. E part, sin 80 upon cos 10 plus sin 59 into sec 31. We see that here in the first term 10 and 80 both are complementary. So we will change one of them, either sin or cos. Here 59 and 31 both are complementary. 59 plus 31 will come 90. So we will change either sin or sec. So first term, change the sign. We will write here sin. In place of 80, we will write 90 degree minus 10. 90 minus 10 is 80 degree upon cos 10 degree plus sin 59 degree into, I am going to change this sec. So 31, we will write 90 degree minus 59. 90 minus 51, 59, it will come 31. Now we will use the formula. What is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta is this one. Sin 90 minus theta is what? 10. So sin 90 minus 10, it will be cos 10 upon cos 10 plus sin 59 into sec 90 minus theta. Theta is 59 here. So see, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta and theta is 59. So we will write cosec 59. This one cancel, it will come 1. Product of sine and cosec is also 1. We know that sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. You can see the reciprocal relation in the first chapter. Product of sine and cosec is 1, product of cos and sec is 1, product of tan and cot is 1. So here sine into cosec, angle is same 59, 59, its value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. This is answer. So it is very simple exercise. You have to remember these things and apply it in the problem. We will get the answer. Let us see some more questions. See question number 6. Find the value of cos square 18 plus cos square 36 cos square 54 plus cos square 70 plus cos square 90 degree. We have to find its value. So how we will find? See here 18 degree and 72 degree. 18 degree and 72 degree both are complementary angle. Their sum is 90. And 36, 54. Their sum is 90. They are complementary angle. So firstly write it together. Cos square 18 plus cos square 72 plus cos square 36 plus cos square 54. And what is the value of cos 90? See the table of standard angle. Cos 90 value is 0. So it is 0. Value of cos 90 is 0. 18 plus 72, 90, both are complementary angles. So we will change one of them. Either cos square 18 into sine or cos square 72 into sine. So I am going to change this one, cos square 18. Cos square, in place of 18, we will write 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72, it will come 80. Plus cos square 72. Here 36 plus 54. Again 90, so we will change one of them. So change this one. Cos square 90 minus, in place of 36, 90 minus 54 plus cos square 54, and this is plus 0. Here cos 90 minus theta, theta is 72. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So it will be sin square 72 degree. Here square is there, so sin square 72 plus cos square 72. Again cos 90 minus theta, theta is 54. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. It will be sin square 54 plus cos square 54. And we know about the trigonometrical identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square 72 plus cos square 72, 1. Sin square 54 plus cos square 54, 1. It will be 2. We can give region. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square 72 plus cos square 72, 1. Sin square 54 plus cos square 54 is 1. So it was question number 6. Now see 7th B part. If tan theta into tan 40 is equal to 1, we have to find theta. So what will be tan theta? Tan theta tan 41. So tan theta will be 1 upon tan 40. Tan theta will be divided by tan 40 degree, 1 upon tan 40. 1 upon tan means cot 40 degree. We know that tan and cot both are reciprocal. So 1 upon tan is equal to cot tan theta. Left side tan is given, right side cot is given. So we will change this cot into tan. Then we can compare. Tan theta. Change it into tan. So we will write it cot 40 degree. We can write 90 minus 50. In place of 40, we will write 90 minus 50. And cot 90 minus theta, see here. Cot 90 minus theta, it is tan theta. So theta is 50 degree. So cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, tan 50 degree. Tan theta is equal to tan 50. So what will be theta? On comparing, theta is 50 degree. So left side tan is given, right side cot. We have to bring both sides same trigonometrical ratios to compare it. So change this cot into tan. So in this way we can change. 40 degree written, write its complementary angle. 90 minus, in place of 40 write 90 minus 50. So cot 90 minus theta, it will be tan theta. Tan theta means tan 50. So compare it, theta will come 50 degree. 6 and 7 questions completed. Let us see some questions more. Question number 10, A part, prove that tan 15 into tan 30 into tan 45 into tan 60 into tan 75 is equal to 1. We will take left hand side. So left hand side is tan 15 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45, tan 60, tan 75. Value of tan 30, tan 45 and tan 60 we can write with the help of table of standard angle. We know the value of tan 30, tan 45 and tan 60. But tan 15 and tan 75 we don't know. We also see here 15 degree and 75 degree. Both are complementary angle. Their sum is 90. So take it together. Tan 15 into tan 75. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 45 value is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 cancel with root 3. Here 15, 75, both are complementary. We will change one of them. So tan 15 degree, change this tan into cot. So we will write it tan 90 degree minus 15 degree. 90 minus 15, it will come 75. And this is root 3 cancel. 1 into 1, 1. Tan 15 degree, tan 90 minus theta, this is theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, it will be cot 15. We know that product of tan and cot, it is 1. Tan 15 into cot 15 is 1. So right hand side. This is question number 10th A. We will take 2 more questions and then I will finish this exercise. See question number 13, first part. We have to prove that sin 90 minus theta into sec theta plus cos 90 minus theta into cosec theta is equal to 2. So again we will take left hand side and we have to prove its value will come 2. So take LHS, left hand side. Sin 90 minus theta into sec theta plus cos 90 minus theta into cosec theta. Sin 90 minus theta, see the formula, what is cos theta? So we will write cos theta into sec theta, and cos 90 minus theta, sin theta into cosec theta. We know that product of cos and sec, it is 1, and sin into cosec, it is also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, RHS. So it is proved. Product of cos and sec, it is 1. Sin and cosec, product is 1 by reciprocal relation. So it was question number 13. See question number 15. We have to simplify it. How we will simplify? This angle 20, 70, 20 plus 70, 90, complementary angle. So we will change one of them. Cos, right here 90 minus 70. 90 minus 70 will be 20 upon sin 70 plus cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta, see the formula, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta cancel, it will come 1. Cos 90 minus theta, theta is 70. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So it will be sin 70 upon sin 70 plus 1. This one cancel. So 1 plus 1. Answer will come 2. So I have discussed many questions of the third exercise. remaining questions try to do yourself. If any doubt you can ask. I will send the solution of some questions also on the campus care. Okay, thank you class.